Hi everyone, today I'm going to do another unboxing review on NEXTBASE Dashcam 322GW front and rear camera. So here is the package. Let's open it and find out what's included, or if we need to buy something else when we're going to install the camera. So we go through all that, and yeah, hopefully we got everything inside, so we don't need to spend no more money. I got this one of Amazon. I bought it for £142.95 of Amazon. Anyway, I will leave the link down below, so if you're interested you can get yours. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. The other one out. So this is what we got. So this is the front one, NEXTBASE, and really recommend this brand. The brilliant cameras. I've got one already, but it has only the front windscreen, my current one. So I had so many accidents already from the back, unfortunately, and that's why I decided, because I'm driving on a daily basis, so I decided to get this kit. So I prefer spending a bit more but have a peace of mind, so that way I'm gonna be able to see what's happening behind me. If I need to save the footage, there's like an emergency button, so you press on it and you save the footage, so in case you need it for the future. Hopefully there won't be no accident, but unfortunately there's a lot of accidents out there. So yeah, enough talk, let's just open and see what's inside. So this one, just to confirm the model again with you guys, is 322GW. Okay, let's put this one on the side. And let's do the front one first. Little tape. Should be careful with the fingers. Alright. So what's inside? Dashcam, congratulations on your purchase. Blah blah blah. So you got a NEXTBASE. So let's just leave it on the side. This one, this is the manual, how to use it, and it's a really easy setup. Tomorrow when I'm gonna install it in my car, I'm gonna take you through, guys, so you can see how easy it is. You don't need to pay no one, you literally just do it yourself, so you save some money. Okay. This is the front one, and just to let you know, guys, the memory card, the maximum capacity you can insert in is 128 gigabytes. This camera is 180p, 60 frames per second full HD recording. The angle is 140 wide viewing angle, so that's perfect to catch pretty much all surrounding your car, so you can really see what's happening on your left and right side of your car. It's 2.5, just remove it, so it's 2.5 HD IPS screen with touch screen. Rear model compatible, so this is the rear one. That's where you plug it in. So I'm curious if you got all the cables to plug the rear one or not. I want to find out. This goes on your windscreen, I guess, and I will figure out how to put it on later on. Anyway, so that's what you got. You also get the car charger. I won't using that because I'm gonna install it directly into the fuse box, so that way the cables, they're not gonna be visible. Okay, so what else is here? This we go another holder. Just open it so you can even see it better for yourself. Yeah, that's what you get inside the box. Let me just open the cigarette lighter so you can just see everything what's happening. Yeah, that's what you get. You got a USB cable. I believe that's for to connect it to your computer. Yeah, it's a USB cable. And you got some stick here. I don't know. That's probably to remove it from you when you glue it on. So you can use this one to remove it. I believe so. And you also have a spare 3M sticker if you wanna move your car. I mean car. If you wanna move your dash cam to another car or something like this, or you wanna change it or whatever you wanna do with it, so you have a spare one just in case. So we'll see what's inside the front one. So I'm more interested now to find out if I have the box a bit damaged. I hope the camera, it seems to be alright anyway, to be okay. But I'm really hoping that I will have all the installation kit for the rear camera. If I haven't got it, I need to spend some extra money to buy it. But anyway, we find out what's included and what's not, straight to the point. So yeah, what's in the box? You go manual how to use it, so you can see it quickly. Alright, just put it aside. And perfectly guys, we got what we need. This is what I was hoping to have it included, because when I bought it there was no description if that's included or not. So that's the cable that you plug it on the side. Show you. You just remove this rubber bit and then you leave it on the side somewhere, keep it safe. Then you plug your camera, and this cable we're gonna run it all across my car, but I'm gonna make it invisible, and then that one just go on your rear window. And once you got your cable, pretty much you just plug it in, and this is the setup. So pretty much this one is recording on the back of your car, this one is recording the front of it. In case of emergency, you got footage, so that way you can prove it's not your fault or what really happened in the accident. So guys, I really suggest you, if you're driving once a week or 2 times a week, it doesn't really matter, or even if you're driving every day, you must get one of those. I've been using them NEXTBASE for about 6-7 years now, and I've been involved unfortunately in 4 or 5 accidents, non-fault, and thankfully to the footage I had, I was able to win the cases. So thumbs up guys, hopefully that helps. What's inside the NEXTBASE 322GW front and rear cameras, so I hope that helps, and make sure you get one guys. Link in the description if you want to check it out, and yeah, see you next time guys.